Oh yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, friend, hey, look, I'd like to invite all of y'all to Palmetto Island State Park in Abbeville, Louisiana on February 29th. Hey, look, this is the event that's going to be going on. It starts about 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. We're going to be doing some awesome crackling demonstrations. You don't know how to make a crackling? Come on over, Shad. We're going to show you how. And let me tell you what, Palmetto Island State Park is so well equipped. I mean, we have restrooms all over the place. We have all kinds of activities. During the summer, we got canoe rentals. We got a boat launch. We got cabins. We got RV parking spots out there. We got tent spots out there. Hey, it's just all good, Shad. And let me tell you, second Saturday of the month, every month, Latanier Cookers cooks. And I'm a member of the Latanier Cookers and the Louisiana Dutch Oven Society, Share. Oh, yeah. Hey, enjoy these little pictures here in the pot, Share. Anyway, come on over and have a good time. Just tell them Chef Bourque sent me. What can I say? Hey, it's all good, baby. Hot dang. Let's go see what happens. All right.
Hey, la chante chante, viens me joindre, chante te fait que je sais pas dire. Moi j'aimerais que tu t'en viennes, Charles, tu t'en viennes à la maison avant de mourir, tout. Hey, ma chante fille obsède mon bien. La promise que tu m'as fait